Hello everyone, today I want to showcase a simple server client chat application written in Qt. This is my server. I have inherited from QTCP server, and I am getting incoming connections, which is a virtual member in QTCP server, and I'm appending every socket into a clients list and so on and so forth. But later on we will have a coding session and we will develop this together. Let me run this application. And I have two clients set up here. As you can see, we have server started on port 5000. So I have client 1 and client 2. Let's run client 1 and client 2. Okay, this is client 1 and 2. 1. And let's name this 2. As you can see, I can connect and everything looks just fine. If I send messages and say hi, we get the message, but I wish I wrote who has sent this message. Let's say hello from client 2, and there you have it. Subscribe, stay tuned, and I will teach you how to write this application, and we will make it more complete. Thank you so much.